Thomas is on his way around and around. Yeah, he's going around and around. But suddenly he gets a visitor from out of town. And it's Action Chugger. Oh, hi. I'm Thomas, the steam engine. Well, I am Action Chugger. Okay, what do you do? This. See these? These are jet wings. I can just take off wherever I want. Oh, hello there, viewers. Are you liking the video so far? Hopefully. Wanna be friends? Sure. That's awesome. Yeah. Oh, and for Project Zorgo, if you're watching this, you hack my channel, or if you hack Little Z's channel, here's a warning. If you hack his channel, then you shall be arrested. And I'm serious about it. You hack my channel, and you will get arrested by the cops. Because I will call the cops. And I'll make sure you be put on death row, punk. And for the rest of your crew, too. Because I've been waiting. Because I will be waiting. Because if the cops can't do anything, then me and my brother will find you. And we will beat you up. Bye-bye. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, a comment down below, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay,